Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. I wandered around the Dollar Tree looking at all kinds of things the other day. I think they kind of think I'm a little crazy in there. I'm at one end of the store and then I go back to the other end of the store to see if I can find something to go with this new idea that pops into my head. So I picked up 3 of these, I guess they're candle holders. They're in the candle aisle. Little vases, candle holders, whatever you want to call them. So I got 3 of those, and then I picked up this little organizer in the makeup aisle, or the beauty aisle, whatever aisle that's called. And these fit in here perfectly. So I thought this would be a great idea to get some of the things on my dresser organized. And it's just a little too plain, so I figure we can try to, like, you know, glam it up a little bit with some diamond wrap. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around here and show you what I'm going to do with this. Alright, for my candle holders, I'm going to just take some of the, I have a roll of the diamond wrap. This is the 1-inch wide and they're 6 feet on here. And I'm going to hot glue that right around the top of these. I don't know, I think maybe if I put them upside down, I might be able to get a better straight edge on this. So I'm just going to start a little off from the edge there so that can be the back in case it doesn't match up perfect. And then for the tray I'm going to use the sheets of the diamond wrap. It's the adhesive diamond wrap sheets. They're 6-inch by 9-inch sheets they come in, and I'm going to be needing 2 of these. So I wanted to use this because it just has a little more give to it for the tray, you know, to bend around more than the rolls of the diamond wrap do. So I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing this on here. And like I always say, when you're working with glass, you want to glue the plastic, or put the hot glue on the plastic, because if you put it right on the glass, it cools too quick and you can't even, you know, get a chance to stick it on where you want it. Yeah, that'll work good to make a nice straight edge. So I'm going to go ahead and go around this one, and then I'll do the other 3. I won't, you know, make you guys watch me do all of these, because I think you kind of get the idea from just one. Yeah, that's going to work good. Still clearing my throat here, guys, with this cold. It needs to go away. I am so tired of even the taste of cough drops. But if I want to be able to talk, I pretty much gotta keep a cough drop in my mouth most of the day. See, I think that's gonna look really pretty on there. I didn't get that one too straight. Oh, there it goes. It wasn't dry. And this is just a real simple DIY. I just, you know, wanted to have something a little more special to keep my things in instead of just, you know, toss them in the basket that I do now in my bedroom. Because I'm, you know, not really into a lot of glam stuff or diamond wrap things or whatever. But I think a little bit here and there is not, you know, bad. I don't like a ton of it, because, you know, I have more of the country kind of style in my house. But I think a little sparkle's good anywhere. So that actually matched up really well. So that's what they're going to look like with the diamond wrap on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other 2, and I'm still trying to soak the sticker out of that tray. That was no easy chore. So let me go ahead and put the diamond wrap on the other 2, and then I'll come back. Okay, I have all 3 of my candle holders with the diamond wrap around the top. And I cut these out. I kind of measured them here, and I want to fold it over so there's like maybe just 1 diamond on the inside. I haven't tried this yet, so I don't know how well that this is going to stick, but we're going to find out. So this stuff has a lot of sticky onto it. So I'm going to just take a little of the paper off And I want one right on the top. I might not want that over here. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. See, I just folded one, so there'll be like one row on the inside. And let's see how that goes here, if I can get it nice and even. Because in between here, there's enough room from this divider to the top that it'll fit in there nice. And I think this is actually going to work very well. Yay. Because not all of my plans work the way I have them pictured in my head. And if I can just get this on straight. No, don't stick. There we go. Actually, that went on much easier than I thought it would. I thought it was going to be. That's why I like the sheets of these, because there's it has a lot more give to it than the rolls do. Alright, and now you really, because you see how these are divided in here, but you really can't even see that on here. So I think that's going to work out really well. And then when you see it from the other side, you have your whole, lift it up here, your whole, row on the inside here, so it doesn't look so, like cut off just at the top. Alright, so let's get another one going here. And I'm just going to go all the way around with this, and then I'll show you guys when I get it all tacked on here. Okay, I got it all the way around. It surprisingly went on really easy, and I think this looks really, really pretty. So we're going to set it here, and we'll put our little finished candle holders in there. And I think this is going to look much more pretty on my dresser than that plastic basket full of junk I have. And there it is. That is how it will look when it's all done. And then I have some stuff in here somewhere. Alright, well, let me get this set up here. Let me get some things put into it, and then you can see how nice it would look on a dresser. Okay, here it is. I just threw some random things I had in here in my craft room. I didn't feel like going and digging all my stuff out of my bedroom right now, but I love this. I think it's going to be great, and if you just want to grab like your brushes to run to the bathroom or whatever you want to do, and if you wanted to, you could even use these all separately and have yourself a nice little, just an organizing tray to keep some more things into. But I kind of wanted to make this so it would all fit in here nicely together, but that's up to you to use it as you'd like. And I may end up taking them apart too and using this tray when I run out of room for stuff in these. But that was just my little idea I had while I was running around the Dollar Tree the other day. I hope you enjoyed this. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.